think at the end of the day, man, I think, I also feel good just showing them that other side of fast money or music money. It's called investing in what you love, you know what I'm saying? It's something that I love. So, this is what we invested in and we build it, around the family. And a lot of times that's what dudes do. They get the money bag and then go build it with everybody but the family. It takes time, but I think that's how you're supposed to do it.
How you with the game but you ain't signed up? How I got 250 from my neck up? How I made it from the hood to a big truck? Bitches wanna fuck, I got her lined up. How you with the game but you ain't signed up? How I got 250 from my neck up? How I made it from the hood to a big truck? Bitches wanna fuck, I got her lined up. How you with the game but you ain't signed up? Top.